Hello students, I hope you all will be fine. Today we will continue our exercise 1C. In the previous video, we have done first 5 questions of this exercise. In this exercise, all are statements. Okay. So now we will continue with the question number 6. Some I will do here and remaining you will do at home. Let's start with question number 6. What is question number 6? In a particular year, a company produced 87,65,435 bicycles. Next year, the number of bicycles produced was 13,78,689, more than those produced in preceding year. Preceding means previous years. Okay. So in the second year, the bicycles were produced. That was 13,78,689 more than those produced in previous year. So it is based on the first year production. What we have to find out here, how many bicycles were produced during the second year. First we have to find out how many bicycles were produced during the second year, and after that we have to find out how many bicycles were produced during these 2 years, means total production in these 2 years. So let's start with question number 6. Okay, first how we will frame our statement? We will frame our statement: bicycles produced by the company in first year. What is that? That is 87,65,435. Okay. Now next is bicycles produced by the company in second year. Okay, bicycles produced by the company in second year. How many? In the second year, the production of the company was these bicycles plus the bicycles that was produced in first year. So we will add them. Why? Because here it is written bicycle produced was 13,78,689, more than those produced in preceding years. And what was in the preceding year? In the preceding year production was this. So the production in the second year, what it will be? We will add 87,65,435 plus 13,78,689. Okay, so we will add this. Here will be 14, 1. This will be 12, 1, 11. It will be 1, and here will be 1. 13, 1, 14. Now 1 will be here. It will be also 14. 1 will be here, 10, 1, 11. Here will be 8, 9, and 1, 10. So what is that? That production is 1 crore. The production in second year is 1 crore 1,44,124. Okay. What we have to find out next? We have were produced during second year. Okay, we have done. Now how many bicycles were produced during these 2 years? Means how many were produced in first year plus the production of the second year. So total number of bicycles produced during these 2 years. What we will do here? We will add the production of the first year and the production of the second year. So this number is greater, so we will write this at the top. Here is 1 crore 1,44,124. And what was the production of the first year? That is, start writing from back side. Here will be this in the ones period, then 65 in the thousands period, and the 87 in the lakhs period. There is nothing for crore, so I will put 0 here. Now add this. So this will be your total production during these 2 years. So what was that? Here will be 9, 5. This is also 5 comma. Here will be 9, 10. 1 will be here. 7, 8, 9. It will be 8 comma 1. So the total production during these 2 years is 1 crore 89 lakh 9,559. Okay, so this is your answer. Now we will do question number 9. Okay, in the question number 9, statement is, by how much is 1 crore 32 lakh 46,510 larger than 46 lakh 58,642. Okay, so we have to tell this. The given number, first number, is how much larger than the second number. So what we will do here? Plus or minus? Question number 9. Okay, by how much is 1 crore 32 lakh 46,510 larger than this? Means this is larger, and they are asking how much larger is this one from that. Okay, so how we can tell? If I ask to you, tell me how much, I'm changing my statement, how much, by how much is 10 larger than 2? By how much 10 is larger than 2? By how much? By 8? Yes. So how we find out? We will subtract the smaller number from the greater one. Yes. So here our required number will be, required number is equal to greater number minus smaller number. Okay, so that will be our required number. So what is this? This is 1 crore 32 lakh 46,510, and this is, I'm writing according to periods. So this is 46 lakh comma 58,642. Now what we have to do here? We have to do subtraction here. Okay. Okay. So subtract this. From 10, 8 will go. Sorry, from 10, 2 will go. It will be 8. Okay. So here will be 0. Now this is 10. From 10, 4 will go. It will be 6. Here is 4. From 14, 6 will go. That will be 8. Okay. Now this is one less, so it is 15. From 15, 8 will go. You will get 7. From this is also, it has also gone 1 there, so it is 3. From 13, 5 will go. You will get 8. Next, here is from 11, 6 will go. It will be 5, and this is also 1 less, 2. From 12, 4 will go. 8, and this is 0. So okay, so what is our number? Our number is 85 lakh 87,868. This is our required number. So at the end we will write here, hence 1 crore 32 lakh 46,510 is larger than 46 lakh 58,642 by this number, by 85 lakh 87,868, full stop. This is your answer. Now question number 10. I'm rubbing this. In the question number 10, the statement is by how much is this number smaller than 1 crore? Here we have to find out smaller than. In the question number 9, you have given by how much this is larger than that one. Here they are asking about the smaller. Okay, so let's take any small example. Suppose your statement is by how much. Here we will put some small number. By how much? Suppose I am having here 5. By how much 5 smaller than 5 smaller than 20. Okay, there is 1 crore given. I am changing my statement in a small number. So by how much 5 is smaller than 20? 5 is smaller than 20. It's 15. Yes, 5 is smaller than 20 by 15. How we find out? We will subtract smaller number from the greater one. Yes, so our answer is 15. Similarly, in this also we will subtract this number from that one. Okay, so what will be our required number here? Required number is equal to 1 crore minus this number. What is this? This is 56 lakh 43,879. 879. So we have to subtract this. So write 1 crore. This is 1000, this is lakhs, and this is 1 crore. Okay, here this is ones period, this is thousands, this is lakhs, and this is, we have to write only 1 crore, so 1 will be here. So what we have to subtract from this? We have to subtract from this 56 lakh 43,879. Whatever we will get, that will be our required number. Okay, so subtract from here. It will be 10 from 10, 9 will go, it will be 1. From 9, 7 will go, 2. From 9, 8 will go, 1. From 9, 3 will go, 6. From 9, 4 will go, 5. From 9, 6 will go, it will be 3. From 9, 5 will go, it will be 4. So what is our required number? Our required number is 43,56,121. Okay, so here at the end we will write this is smaller than 1 crore by this. Okay, so let's write this. What is that? Hence 56 lakh 43,879 is smaller than 1 crore by this number. What is that? That is 43 lakh 56,121. So this is your answer. Okay. So what is next? Next question is your 12th question. The statement of the 12th question is the sum of two numbers is 1 crore 7 lakh 50,308. If one of them, means one from them, is 89 lakh 67,590, what is other number? Means here is sum of two number is given and one number is also given. They want the another number. Suppose you are having any two numbers. So what will be the sum when you will add them? So one number is given and the sum of two number is given. So how to find out the other number? By the subtraction. If we will subtract the given number from this sum, then we will get our another number. Okay. So what is the sum of the two numbers? We will write here solution of 12. Sum of two numbers is equal to, what is that? That is 1 crore 7 lakh 50,308. Okay. So one of them is given, one of them, or you can say one number is. Okay. So one of them is, what is that? That is 89 lakh 67,519. So we have to find out other number. So our other number will be other number is equal to sum of both minus first number or minus this one. So this here 89, 67, 519 means sum of two number is given, one number is also given. So how to find out the second number? You will subtract the first number from the sum. You will get your another number. Okay. So subtract this from 18, 9 will go. Here will be 9. This will be 9. From 9, 1 will go. 8. It will be 2. So it will be 12. From 12, 5 will go. It will be 7, comma. Then it is 9. From 9, 7 will go. It will be 2. And here is, this is now 14. 4 and 14. So from 14, 6 will go. What you will get here? You will get here 8. This is your 9. This is 6. So from 16, 9 will go. You will get 7. This is 9. From 9, 18 will go. 8 will go. This is 9. From 8 will go 1. And this is 0. Yes, it has gone there. So this is 0. So put the commas properly. Yes. So what is your other number? Our other number is 17 lakh 82,789. Okay. So this is very easy and very small. Okay. If two number is given and one of them, if the sum of two is given and one of them is also given. So next sum is 15. A man had rupees 1 crore 6 lakh 72,540 with him. He is having initial amount this. He gave rupees 48 lakh 36,980 to his wife. This money given to his wife, and rupees 39 lakh 64,790 to his son, and the rest to his daughter. Means whatever he is having left, that money has given to his daughter. How much money was received by the daughter? We have to find out how much money received by the daughter. So let's start this sum. This money, initial amount is this. So we will write here initial amount. Initial means the amount that he is having in the starting. Initial amount with him, or you can say with man. Initial amount with man. What was that? That was this rupees 1 crore 6 lakh 72,540. Okay. This is the initial amount with man, whatever he is having. After that, amount given to his wife. Amount given to his wife. How much he has given to wife? This is so rupees 48,36,980. Now amount given to his son. He has given to son rupees 39,64,709. Okay. The remaining amount after giving these two amounts, whatever he is having, he has given that to her, his daughter. We don't know that amount, so we will find out that amount. How? We will add these money, these two amount, and we will subtract this amount from that. So that money he will give to his daughter. So here we will write amount given to his daughter. What? Total amount minus these two. So how you will write here? You will write here 1 crore, this 72,540 minus sum of these two. So write that 48 lakh 36,980 plus this one 39 lakh 64,790. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to first add these two amounts, then we have to subtract that one from this. So first add that. Okay, so I'm adding them here. I'm rubbing this statement. We have done these two. So add that amount. What is that? 48,36,980, and add the another one 39 lakh, 64,790. Add this. This is 0. Here will be 17, and here will be 17. 1, 11. It will be 9, and then 10. It will be 18, and this will be 7, 1, 8. Okay. So 88 lakh 1,770 was given to his wife and son. Now we will subtract this amount, write this value there. So it is 106,72,540 minus, what is the sum of that? That is 88 lakh 1,770. Now we will subtract that. Yes, so I am doing here now. So now this amount, put equal sign. What was that? 1 crore 6 lakh 72,540 minus that one, that is 88 lakh 1,770. Now we have to do subtraction. That will be our amount that he has given to his daughter. So here will be 0 from 14, 7 will go, here will be 7, here will be 4, 14, 7 will go, it will be 7, here is 1, it will be 0, it will be 7, it will be from 16, 8 will go, 8, here will be 9, from 9 this. So this is the amount 18,70,770 is given to his daughter. Okay, so next sum is how much money was collected from 1786 students from a school for a charity show. Okay, any charity program. Okay, school was conducted, and so student has given some money for that. That money is given to you. How much money was collected from these students? Number of students is 1786 of a school for a charity show. If each student contributed this, contribution by each student is 625 rupees. We know number of students and we know the money that is given by one student. So how to find out total money? Okay, that is contributed. How you find out? By the multiplication. Yes, because the money given by one student is given and number of students are given. So you will multiply them and you will get your answer. Okay, let's start this sum. Now question number, this is 17 question in your book. Okay, so number of students. First you will write number of students. How many? That is 1786. And the money contributed by each student for what? For what they are contributing? We will mention here, they are contributing this money for the charity show. Okay, so money contributed by each student for the charity show, or you can say charity program. Okay, okay, so what you will do next? Money contributed, what is that money? That is rupees 625. Yes, 625. So now we have to find out total collection or total money contributed by the students. Okay, so you will write here total money contributed by the students, or you can say by all students. Okay, so multiply this. What was that? That is multiplication of this and this. So we will multiply here this and 6 to 5. Whatever will be your answer, that will be the money that is collected by the students. So I am doing multiplication here. 1786 multiplied by 6 to 5. Okay, so 5 6 are 30, 3 will be there, it will be 40, 43, 4 will be there, it will be 35, 35 plus 4, 39, 3 will be there, 5 and 3, 8. Okay, now remove all these carries. Okay, now 2, 7, 5, 3. What will be next? 6 6 are 36, 3. 6 8 are 48, 49, 50, 51. Now 6 7 are 42, 42 and 5, 47. Okay, 6 1 are and 4, it will be 10. It will be 10. Now you have to add this. Okay. So add this 0, 5. It will be, here will be 16, 16 and 6. That will be 22. Okay. 2 will be there. 10, 15, 16. 1. So it will be 10, 1, 11 and this 10 already, it will be 11. So this is the total amount or total money that was collected, that was contributed by the student for the charity program. I hope you understand. Okay, similar problems are given in your book. You have to do up to 18. Okay, solve that problems. Okay, thank you.